Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the model paper of 8th class which contains maths, general science, social studies and English. So let's start with section 1 as mathematics. First question is the value of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 so on till plus 99 minus 100 is. The correct option here is minus 50. C is the correct option for this answer. Among the following, the greatest negative integer is B. Minus 1 is the correct answer. Among the following, the true statement is A is the correct answer for this question. Here, fourth bit is 12 times 2 plus 50, 12 into 24 plus 52. Here, the option D is the correct answer by distributive property. Here, the fifth question. So, here the value of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 like that. So on till 1 minus 1 by 100 is. Here the correct option is D 0.01 and next is 0.8 by 0.08. Here the correct option is A 10. Among the following, which the fraction that represents the shaded region in the following figure? Here the correct option is D 9 by 25. 0.2021 into 10,000. Here the correct answer will be C 2021. If 5x plus 7, here in the ninth one, if 5x plus 7 is equal to minus 8, then the value of x here is. Ninth problem లో ఇప్పుడు 5x plus 7 is equal to minus 8, then the value of x is. ఇక్కడ మన ఆన్సర్ B minus 3 మన ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. If sum of 3 odd consecutive integers is 39, then those integers are C 11, 13, 15. C is the correct answer. The complementary angle of an acute angle is D, obtuse angle. D is the correct answer. In the following figure, if straight lines A, B and CD intersect at O, then the value of x is B. B is the correct answer. A pair of vertically opposite angles are also supplementary angles. Then the angles are D 90 degrees and 90 degrees. In the following figure, if AOB is a straight line, then the value of x is B 20 degrees. Condition true for triangle ABC is A. AB minus BC is bigger than AC. 16th problem. If two sides of an isosceles triangle are 5 cm and 12 cm, then the length of the third side in cm is D 12 cm. Since the 12 cm is the opposite side of the isosceles triangle, the other side will also be 12. The y from the following figure is A 118 degrees. If the angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3, then the angle is a B, right angle triangle. Among the following, the false proportion is, here it is B. 5 to 9 is proportional to 14 to 30. Of the following, the simplest form of 4.5 is to 2 to 10 is, here the option is D, 1 is to 2. In the bar graph, the length of each bar represents A, data. The degree of 15 power 3 x dot x power 2 dot y power 3 dot z power 4 dot a power 5 is 17 is the correct answer. A. If 2021 whole power 8 into 2021 whole power 4x into 2021 is equal to whole 2021 whole power 12, then the value of x is, here the correct option is 1. Of the following, a letter without a line of symmetry is, here the correct answer is Z. C. In the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral, then the value of x is, D is the correct option, 100 degree. So today in general science, now the first question is to identify the incorrect pair from the following. B is the correct option. Roughages in food. A helps in preventing constipation. Identify the correct statement from the following. B. Should not take leafy vegetables and fruits. Identify the correct statement or statements. 1. Acids turn red litmus to blue. B. Bases turn blue litmus to red. Here, C. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect is the correct option. Acid present in buttermilk is D. Lactic acid. Why are pickles, jams and jelly stored in porcelain or glass containers? B. Not to be spoiled. Identify the correct sequence of stages in life cycle of silkworm. C. Egg, larva, pupa, imago. Converting wool into strong rope is called D. Spinning. Example of oscillatory motion. D. Motion of a needle with a running sewing machine. Relation between speed, distance and time. B. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Motion in a moving bicycle wheels. D. Rotatory and translatory motion. Identify the labeled part in the figure of the thermometer. Bulb. 37. 7 degrees Celsius temperature is dash, then 0 degrees Celsius temperature. Lower. B. Identify the correct statement related to the figure shown below. Here it is D. The batteries are connected in parallel circuit. What does W stand in W in and 20W and 40W bulbs? B. Wattage. The correct statement from the following. Air has force. Weight of hot air is less than cold air. Here the correct answer is D. Both 1 and 2 are correct. A device that measures the direction of the speed of the wind is C. Anemometer. When an incident ray makes 80-degree angle on a plane mirror, and the angle of the reflected ray will be D. 80 degrees. The image that can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. Respiratory organs of fish. A. Gills. The structures that help in respiration of plants. A. Stomata. How many whorls are there in a complete flower? B. 4. Bryophyllum reproduces by D. Leaf buds. Seepage of water is treated by. Here the correct answer is D. Physical, chemical and biological processes. A way to prevent deforestation. Growing social forestry. C is the correct answer. To trade, now on to section 3. Social studies. To trade in India, France formed B. French East India Company. The town of Machilipatnam was given to French by A. Muzaffar Jang. English defeated Sirajullah in the Battle of A. Plassey. The body that makes laws for the state is C. Legislative Assembly. The number of constituencies in a state depends upon A. Population. The minimum age required for a person to contest in the elections for the state legislative assembly is B. 25 years. The cabinet is responsible to A. The legislative assembly. The chairperson of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution was B. B.R. Ambedkar. This is not a benefit of the midday meal program. D. Improvement in learning and acquiring language skills. The main aim of Adi Dravida Sangam was A. Abolition of the Devadasi system. At mandal level, the officer who maintains land records is B. Revenue officer. B is the correct answer here. The state that formed the largest trade union for informal workers in the world is C. Gujarat. The workers who get many benefits are C. Permanent workers. C is the correct answer here. Palanati Virola Katha was written by 64th answer is C. Srinatha. In Telangana, farmer believes that this god protects crops from dreadful diseases. It is D. Potharaju. The anniversaries of Muslim saints are called 66th answer is D. Urs. Urs is the correct answer here. 67. The folk festival popular in Telangana state is C. Bonalu. And next, the worshippers of Lord Vishnu are known as A. Alvars is the correct answer here. One of the following is not the great Sufis of India. D. Nathpanthis. 70th. Marathi devotional hymns are called Abhangs. D is the correct answer. 71. Raja Rajeshwar temple is in Tanjavur. Here A is the correct option. 72. The Sultan, who won universal respect for constructing a large reservoir just outside Delhi, Khuna, outside Delhi is, this answer is Intumif. A is the correct answer. 73. This is not a worker's right. Right to get married is everyone's right. It is not only a worker's right. So that is not a worker's right, which is the correct option. Smaller rivers or streams which join a large river are actually called tributaries. The physical objects on the map are shown using D. Symbols. Now we are on to section 4, which is English. So here we can read the passage and answer the questions. So according to the passage, Raman's father was B. a physics teacher. 78th one. Science had already made an impression on him, means he studied science. D is the correct option. Raman took up administrative job in finance ministry because he wants to respect his parents' wishes. B is the correct option here. Raman spent time after his office in the lab association. B is the correct option here. A is incorrect as I checked and verified myself. And here is another passage about first aid. So according to the passage, here the answer is first aid is the answer is an immediate medical assistant. This is the correct answer, A. First aid is given before professional medical help. A is the other answer to 82. 83. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is an example of. Here the correct answer is the first aid. The psychological first aid is used as an early treatment for PSTD. Conflict first aid is being piloted in. Here the answer is conflict first aid is being piloted in A. Canada. Canada is the correct answer here. They dashed to a library yesterday. B. Went to a library yesterday. May I use your pencil? This is taking permission. It is neither giving permission, expressing possibility, or an order. Rahman was an honest boy. His teacher always praised his. Here it is honesty. B is the correct option here. Rajni's mother passed away a few years ago. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Here it is actually died. The study of earth is called geology. B is the correct answer. Bemin Joshi played a flute. A is the correct option here. The 92nd. The word beep rhymes with a sheep. Sheep is the correct answer here. My father was dash with me when I stood first in class. Please. A is the correct answer. I won't come with you. The full form of the underlined word is I would not. A is the correct answer here. The antonym of the word ugly is beautiful. D is the correct option. A friend in need is a friend indeed. B is the correct option. Ramani was born September 5th, 2000. On is the correct option here. You behave properly with your friends. You should behave. It is C. That was the greatest achievement. This means that no achievement was as great as that. So B is the correct option. Roger switched the light. Here A off. Thank you for watching. Make sure you help this channel and support it by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.